Hello, my name is Franz. I show you how to do epoxy stamping with the HP16 machine equipped with pick and place option. First I will change the bonding tool to the epoxy stamping tool. I remove the wedge tool and insert the epoxy stamping tool. Okay. Then I check the squareness of the epoxy stamping tool. Because this is not a round tool, this is a square tool, so I can orientate it to make sure. I will look to the microscope, make sure the stamping tool is square. Okay. And then I put epoxy in the epoxy pot. So the epoxy comes in this kind of tube. You open the tube by turning the cap. Oops. And then you can press by finger in the back side, and you put some epoxy here. This is enough for sample. And now you can turn this epoxy stamping unit to flatten the epoxy. Let's see under the. Oh, okay. I turn this. Put epoxy, then you load your program. In our case, the program number 4, pick and place. And you have to make sure the loop height is high enough to overcome the heater stage wall to move over to the stamping place. If you want to make it higher, press twice and make a higher number. And then it goes up. Or if you want to make it lower, press twice, make a lower number. Okay, and then if the heights are not correct, you can make a height setup. That means you go here for the first bonding, press, and then it goes down. Now already including epoxy. Then you go over, and then for the second bonding, you press, and then it will go down, make touchdown, and already placed some epoxy here. To align the laser, you make one epoxy bond and then align the laser point in the middle of the epoxy, like I do now. Okay, now you can target with the laser and make the epoxy. So to do the whole sequence, you start to move over to the epoxy pot. Then look that you get a nice surface on epoxy. Then you press the button to do the pickup of epoxy. Then you move over to the position where you like. Here you can see the laser. and then you press the button to place the epoxy. Let me do that again. Pick up epoxy, move over, target with the laser, and place epoxy. And the third time, move over, place, pick up epoxy, then move over, target with the laser, place epoxy.